Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be another I tried following type video. So this video is inspired by a YouTuber named Raw Beauty Christy, and she did a video where she followed a YouTuber named Snitchery. And it's her video on how to fake lip filler. So I thought that was really fun because who doesn't like making their lips look bigger the cheaper way and the non-needle way? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Before we jump into the video, make sure to thumbs up this video because you're gonna enjoy it. Just a minute. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to see when I post, and don't forget to follow all of my social media, which will be linked down below. But other than that, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I just zoomed in a little bit closer so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm nervous. And by the way, before we start right now, I just want to make a disclaimer that there is nothing wrong with your guys' lips at all. The purpose of this video is solely just to have fun with making your lips bigger. And that's it. There's really nothing deeper to it than that. And I know my lips are already big, but so are hers kind of. This can work on anybody, okay? We're all having fun here. Can I just say, first of all, she is beautiful, okay? I've never seen this girl before, but wow, she looks amazing. It was like a 7-minute intro where she's talking, so I kind of just skipped over all that so we can move along a little faster. But if you guys want to know what that intro is about, you're more than welcome to watch it, but I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to start overlining my lips. But what I'm going to do is start at the corner and make it really dark on the corner, and then come up a little bit, I'm not drawing yet, but come up a little bit higher here.
She's using a lip liner that's very similar to her lip tone, which is pink, kind of like a skin tone pink. So what I'm gonna use today, give me 1 second. Okay, so from the video, she started from the corner of her mouth to the top of her Cupid's bow. So I'm just gonna follow exactly the steps that she's doing and pray that it comes out the same. I'm gonna add a little bit more at this top. I feel like her side by side, her upper lip looks a little bigger on her drawn side, so I mean, she has a smaller upper lip than I do, I think, so, ooh, this is tricky. What do you guys think? Okay.
I'm also gonna go ahead and...
Okay, before she moves on, let's finish the other side. Oh, shoot. Y'all, this is making me nervous because my lips are already huge. Her lips kind of protrude outwards like she said. Mine are a little like that, but they're still flat. I guess we'll just do what she did and, you know, make the outer edges a little bigger. Y'all, I've never overlined my lips this wild, but let's keep going.
See how that already gave me like a significant lift? I think a lot of people have the misconception that they overline their lips on the top, which can work for a lot of lip shapes, but for some lip shapes, that's not where you need the fullness. For me, I need more of the fullness on the side. Now, if you think it's looking crazy, especially when I talk, it absolutely is, and that's because thus far, we've only overlined our lip. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom as well, and again, I'm gonna focus on the outer corner. See how bringing that lip shape down, it looks so much bigger. Pick a lip pencil that's a little bit darker than your lip shape.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and line the bottom part of my lip, just like she did. Okay, so it looks like she went under a little just like I did, and then stopped right under her lip. Okay, so she's just finishing the bottom of her lip, so I'm just gonna do the same. And it also looks like she's blending it a little with her fingers to make it look like a natural lip line instead of a harsh line, so I'm gonna do that as well.
This is not my moment. This is not my preferred lip shape. I'm sure it works for some people, but it's not my jam. So what I'm gonna do before cleaning it up altogether is I'm gonna go ahead and take just a tiny brush and my bronzer. I'm gonna take it on that brush and I'm just gonna go like this. Add a little shadow underneath your lip. Do you see what that did? It's subtle, but it makes a difference. It makes your lip look heavier in the middle, which makes your lip look fuller.
Okay, so y'all need to get a bronzer, so let me get one really quick. I'm gonna go in with the Hoola bronzer just because I feel like it has a cool tone type shade to it a little bit, so I feel like that'll help with the shadow look. So she just focuses it on the center and doesn't take it anywhere further.
Next, I'm gonna go into the underlining step. Now for this, you kind of have two choices. I prefer to use my actual foundation shade because I want it to look a bit more natural, but if you are working with a little less lip naturally, then you can go in with a concealer shade or a foundation shade that's just a little bit lighter than your natural lips. Make sure you blend it in really well, but that is an option if you want to add even more fullness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my ABH foundation. I'm gonna take it and just go like this. And come into the corner of my mouth. See over here versus over here? See how even though we underlined a little bit on this side, it actually looks fuller than this side and also significantly less ridiculous. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side.
If you have smaller lips, then she recommends to use a concealer that's lighter to make them pop out more. So since my lips are gargantuan, I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty foundation because it dries down matte. So I wouldn't recommend anything luminous, I'm assuming. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the bottom part of the lips just like she is right now. So it looks like she just draws a line down. Okay, wait a minute. Who is she? Okay. Oh shoot. Okay guys, so I need to blend this out because I guess she did a light layer. So let me take a brush really quick. I did what I could, guys. I'm sorry if it doesn't look perfect, but I don't want to spend too much time on this. So let's move on to the top part.
It's almost like a breast lift for your lips. I'm gonna go ahead and on the top, and what I'm trying to do here is just mimic that circular shape.
Circular shape.
And again, not taking too much off the sides of the top lip.
So for the top lip, she's keeping it rounded in a rounded shape versus the lower lip. You kind of slash the inner corners and then round the bottom portion. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just going to conceal the upper part of the lip and define it a little. Y'all, what the heck? My upper lip's not round. It looks like a heart shape. I'm gonna take some more of the brown lip liner and just add a little more on the upper lip.
Can do this lip shape because regardless of your lip shape, shortening how wide your lips are is always going to make them look taller on the top, especially if you overlap.
Oh,
that's why if you look at Brat's doll, it actually has like kind of a
oh, you know what? Now this is why these lips look familiar, because I'm like, dang, these lips are like the shape of these lips are reminding me of something, and it looks just like the Brat's doll.
Next, I'm going to take that same liner and darken up the corners.
I gotta hurry up, my friend's gonna be here.
This is also going to create the illusion of a poutier lip because it's going to be lighter in the center. I think a lot of people at this step would use a lip gloss. I'm more of a balm girl myself. This is going to give your lips a sheen, which is going to make it look even bigger, but it's also going to sort of disguise all that liner work.
Okay guys, so she used a lip balm and it looked like it had a pink tint. I was going to use a clear gloss, but I want to follow it as closely as possible. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop So Juicy Lip Plumper. Wow. My lips feel so huge, but let's keep going.
Now this is almost like catfishing. This is sort of the natural version of that Brat's doll look. You can of course add liquid lipstick or any lipstick you want. Add a shimmery gloss. You can add concealer into the middle of your lips. But if you want to stop here, you've now successfully achieved sort of a lip injection Brat's doll pouty look for free. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some matte liquid lipstick before we get into the very end portion of this video talking about the last video I uploaded.
Wait. Oh, you guys. I don't have a liquid lipstick, you guys. I know that sounds crazy, but I really don't have a liquid lipstick. I would really have to dig deep in my closet. Okay, you guys, so I did go through the end of the video and she just shows what it looks like with the liquid lipstick, I guess, but it's not necessary. So I'm just gonna stop at the gloss part. But this is the final result. What do you guys think? Do I look crazy? Does it look better? Or is it nice? I don't know. Comment down below. I will say overall, she did give some pretty helpful tips. So if you're looking to make your lips bigger, I think that you should try this out. It's fun, and at the end of the day, you can always wipe it off. But yeah, it worked. I mean, my lips look bigger in my opinion from when we first started. I probably just wouldn't do this because my lips are already really big, so it's not really necessary to go the extra mile. But thank you so much, Snitchery, for the awesome tips. You know, for Halloween, I could be a Bratz doll and make my lips look just like this. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to check out the links in my description box below. I'll have the link to Snitchery's video, and I'll have the link to Raw Beauty Christie's video if you want to see how her lips turned out, because she has much smaller lips, but her lips came out really good in my opinion. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was entertaining during this quarantine. Make sure that you're staying clean and safe and washing your hands and being mindful of others. And other than that, comment down below any video suggestions. I will just be spewing out random ones about random things, but we're all just having fun here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.